Strawberry one. I spy with my little eye. A girly look, look. I spy with my little eye. A girly little body. Look at my ugly feet. Do. Can't touch this. I spy with my little eye. A girly look a little bar. Is there any? Oh, there's some in the corner. How do we get it? Oh. I spy with my little eye. A girly like. Oh, darn it. Are you kidding? So it's right there. Somewhere. I want to make a video now, but a Christmas story. That's creepy. I spy with my little. Oh, darn! I spy with my little. Are you serious? I hit play. Oh yeah, what's going on, guys? I'm trying to. Yeah, Santa Claus is right there. And I was like this so no one can see it. I didn't mean to, but can you find Santa Claus in this room? And today we're doing an Ugly Pets video. I'm gonna make an Ugly Pets scene. I need to zoom out.
Too close.
Yeah.
Way too close.
What? Look how ugly that scene
Miss
is.
out on this? Don't worry. The biggest deal is happening right now at T-Mobile. When you buy one of the latest Samsung.
Okay, I'm gonna places. I'm gonna move that. So here's a person. Hey, move. Here's another person. Hey, move. Here's another person. Hey, move. Here's another person. Hey, move. What? Come on, get right there. There's another person. Hey, move. Here's another person. Hey, move. Boo. Another person. Move. Another person. Move.
Jim's a great guy. He's like a brother to me.
Boom.
Best friend in the office. I really hope he finds.
We only got 3 more people. Boom.
Oh no, it's fine then. Here, what about the raspberry one? No.
How's it going? Good. Can I talk to you for a second? Just take a second.
So I'm gonna make this episode called The sneeze attack. Okay, I'm gonna get started.
What flavor?
Shh. Oh, it's time to get up. Doo, 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 doo. Psst. Bleh. Oh, hi.
Back there. I want that for the passenger's cup.
Watch out! Boom! Whoa, what? Shut the door, shut the door. Shut the door. Blah. Bleh.
Okay,
Everybody, line up.
okay.
What's up? What? That's my truck alarm.
No, this says Rite Aid.
No, it is a perfect smell alike. I'm not paying for a label. Right here. Give it. Oh, it's empty. No, it's not. There's some in the straw.
What's the matter? It all started with Lenny. You feel sick. Ha ha ha. Chill. Bleh. Milk. Mom, Lana's drinking out of the milk carton again. Bleh. Ma, chew. Chew. Bleh. These might help. Oh, they're all squirt. They're squirt. They have chicken noodle soup in them. And if you shoot them at one, they would fall down and lay there for 10 minutes. Okay. I think we should split up. Okay, you two go. And fine. You two go. You two are teams. Then looks like it's you and you. Okay. Let's split up.
I probably should have told you I don't need a ride now because Jim.
Do, 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 do.
You're off the hook.
Okay, great. Off the hook. Excellent. Okay, cool. All right. Have fun. Don't drink and drive. Take it easy.
Ha.
You too. Have a good night.
Ha. Two. Oh no. Squirt. Blue. Are you okay? Ha. Two. Ah. It looks like we're down to Clyde. What? It looks like we're down to 6 people left. Can you make us some food? Yes. Okay. Would you like guacamole? Guacamole, okay? Bleh. Oh no, squirt. Bleh. Oh no. Bleh. Oh no. Blah. Oh no, they're surrounding us. Bam! Bam, bam! Bam, bam! Bam, bam, bam! Bleh! Oh no! Bleh! 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 Oh no! Bam, bam! Bleh! Oh no! Who wants guaca? Ah! Choo, 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 choo! Bleh! Okay, I hope you liked all the girls' pets. And I hope you liked the attack of the sneeze. Okay. Let's get this 100 likes for on my next video. Oh, you want to do a bowling? Let's see if this actually works. I spy with my... Okay, I'm going to see if we can do bowling. And here's going to be the bowling ball. Okay, here are the bowling balls. I only get 4 tries. And these are the pins. Okay, let's scoot everybody over there. He's going first. I'm going to flick him. Boom. He's out. Sit on the bench. Okay, and boom. Okay, I knocked him down and him. Bring him over here. And I got 2 balls. Darn it! I only got 1 ball. Now, how about we use these 2? No, this one, because I hit it with this. No! Come on. But I hit some. So. Oh, I knocked them down. Come on. Boom. Yeah, boy. Sit them here. Oh, yeah, boy. I hit him, though. Darn! So, these are the 2 people left. Now, let's see how far they can go. I'm going to flick them, and whoever goes farther wins. Okay. And wait. So it goes. No! This one's the winner! Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! 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 Dancy, 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 da doo da. Bleh. Ah! Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Oh, subscribe, hit the like button, and share to all your friends.